Subscribe asp.net tutorial channel and press the bell icon for latest update videos. Welcome to my channel asp.net tutorials and welcome friends to Angular 6 tutorial series. So friends, today we have learned set value in Angular 6. So friends, let's start. So friends, in the last video we have learned a bootstrap install and implementation. This video we have learned set values in text box. So friends, let's start. First we have write a button div class call md 2 and 1 and copy this button and paste it and name upload data and it will change to button friends, and here write a click and on load data. And this, and first we have friends check it will save. Yes, it will save and run. Hence we have check it, upload data and submit are two buttons shown, and we have write a function copy and go to TS page and write paste it here. Sorry friends, I have only copy this and paste and write a void friends, we write a this dot test form dot set the values and this set the values first and full name and country. So friend, we write a full name and comma, and we will write a country and India and save and friends, you can see it will be already loaded. Finish. Okay, it will load perfectly and serve. So friends, you can see this. Click. So friends, you can see data it will be fill on the text box. I hope friends you like the videos. If you like the videos friends, please like, share and subscribe, and latest videos update, press the bell icon. For more information, like my Facebook page, follow on Instagram and join my group community. If you have friends any query, you can ask me, comment or email, and visit my website www.asp.nettutorials.com, and thank you for watching videos.